Hey natural lifestyle seekers, it's Jennifer Gilman, and today I'm going to show you how to make foaming hand wash with essential oils that is going to give you protection. My name is Jennifer Gilman and I own the Herbal Cabinet. If this is your first time on my channel, thanks for stopping by. I'm a full-time holistic health coach, herbalist, and aromatherapist, and this channel is all about living an exceptional life naturally. So let's get started. I want to go over the supplies, but before I do, know that in the show notes you're going to find all of the products, so you don't need to take notes on the actual products, but you might want to write down the ingredients as far as how much of something that I put in, okay? So we've got to start with a foaming hand wash dispenser. All right, and I use an 8-ounce one. This one is very durable. I find that some foaming hand wash containers are flimsy, and before you know it, a month or two later, you're out buying another one. So I really like this one. I get it from doTERRA, but make sure you have a really good sturdy foaming hand wash container. All right, next up is castile soap. You want to get a nice liquid castile soap. Again, in the show notes, I've shared my favorite with you. I put it in a Pyrex dish just so that when I'm measuring it later, we're going to actually have an easier time with it, right? So liquid, unscented castile soap, all right? Next up is the essential oil, and I choose to use the On Guard Protective Blend. This, you guys, this blend is incredible. It gives me and my family protection. I have just certainty that I know we're going to be well as long as we're doing the things like washing our hands on a regular basis. Okay, so On Guard has 5 different plants in it. It's got clove and cinnamon, wild orange, rosemary, and eucalyptus. So it's fantastic. Plus it smells like Christmas in a bottle. I love this stuff. The last thing is just purified water. So I measured out 8 ounces. We're not actually going to use the whole 8 ounces because, like I said, we have other ingredients that are going to go in this container, and it's an 8-ounce container, all right? So question of the day for all of you, what natural foaming hand soap do you love? Because let's face it, one size does not fit all, right? What might work for me might not work for you. So in the comments below, this is a community, in the comments below, make sure you share your favorite so that we can spread the news of natural health and lifestyle. All right, let's get to making it. So we're just gonna take the top off here. And I love that I have these cute little funnels, you guys. This is stainless steel. I'll just put the funnel on the top there. All right, and I'm gonna measure out the 2 tablespoons, all right? So liquid castile soap, we need 2 tablespoons. I'm just gonna take 2 of those, put that right into the funnel that's going into the bottle. So 2 tablespoons of liquid castile soap. And then the next thing is 10 drops of the On Guard blend, the On Guard essential oil blend. If you're using other ones, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. All right, if you're using other essential oils, you want a total of 10 drops of essential oil. The last thing is really just putting the water in, but make sure you're doing that kind of slowly so that it doesn't foam up. So just slowly pour that in, and we'll finish this up here through the funnel. If you pour it in too fast, you guys, it's just going to foam up and then you won't be able to get the top in, all right? We want to leave a little bit of room, so I'll show you that here. So see how let's see if we can see that. I filled it up to about here so that I could still put the top in, all right? So now we're just gonna put the top in, and I've got plenty of room there. All right, so how do you use it? How often do you use it? In times that a lot is going on out there in the world where we really have to protect ourselves, you should be washing your hands on a very regular basis. Every time you come back from being outside, wash your hands first before you touch anything else in your home or touch any of your family or give hugs, things like that. So you're gonna come in and always wash your hands. So anytime you're in and out, but the other times right before bed, just as a final wash up, making sure you're nice and clean for a great restful sleep. And when you're washing your hands, you want to do 20 seconds, okay? That's what the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention recommend. I recommend it as well. So you're just going to wash your hands on a very regular basis, very often, and doing that 20 seconds, okay guys? So if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and until next time, go out and live an exceptional life. Bye for now.